आप कब थे पौड़ी में?
मैं पौड़ी में 1957 जुलाई.
57 में. So it's almost after 50 years you are coming to Pauli.
Yes.
You did your education from here.
I did my 10+2 from here.
So what what a major difference you find after coming almost after half a century to Pauli?
Little bit of new shops over development of new markets
In the city?
on the so-called Thandi Sadak,
Thandi Sadak.
which has been infested by markets and buildings of some local inhabitants.
So maybe when you stayed here almost 50 years back, so it was almost a forest type area, entire
Yes,
area.
it was entire forest type area. I was putting up in Snowview colony, which is on way to Kandolia.
Kandolia.
Yes.
Like it is up there
That is about, say, you can call it, say, about 5,800 feet above sea level.
Can we see it it is somewhere up,
Yes, this side.
okay, at this site, which is now a office complex of the Uttaranchal government also,
Yes.
district headquarters. Yeah. So
The residence of district magistrate was little bit about, say, around 6,000 feet above sea level.
okay. So where you exactly stayed in Paudi? It was a bit down or a bit up in Kandolia?
No, I stayed on way to Kandolia. There was one Snowview colony which is existing today also.
Okay.
You can have a look just on way to Kandolia. Just
there, where we can find it a new office complex coming up there, somewhere near.
Yeah, somewhere near civil hospital.
Civil hospital. Okay.
Where just move about 200 meters more, then you reach Snowview colony. Okay.
So the weather was quite like this only 50 years back, or it was something different when you stayed here?
No, weather was like this only, but rains were frequent, which
So-
are missing now
So quite unpredictable weather at that time.
at that time. But it was very pleasant also.
Present also.
Suppose it is raining here, it is not raining there, it is again raining there,
Okay.
it is not raining furthermore.
So you had some cloud bursts also at that time.
Yes, it was.
Lot of cloud burst.
And more or less we had all beautiful rainbows falling over in this
Yeah,
valley.
we saw actually when we were coming yesterday from Srinagar, we saw one rainbow.
One rainbow.
There.
But it was a common phenomenon of rainbows. You can see it at least twice or thrice in a week.
But people say sometimes that Paudi is the best place to have a best view of the Himalayan mountains.
Yes.
The snow peaks.
Snow-clad mountains you
Yeah.
find over from Paudi, you have got the best view.
And it's quite
From anywhere if you stand in Paudi,
180
you get
degrees
the- yes,
almost.
you have got the same view all over the Paudi, wherever you
But now it is quite cloudy at this time.
At this time it is
So
quite
we're not
cloudy.
able to have any
We are not
view
able to have any glimpse of that.
yeah.
That's about.
But definitely if you can come
Yes. No, it can.
here this GMBN have put up a board also
Yes.
where they have depicted the number of mountains which we can have a view. Can you please come?
You have got Trishul, you have got Chokamba, you
Yeah.
have got
They got Swarga Rohini, John Lee, Gangotri Group,
yes.
Bandar Poonch,
yes,
Bhrigupani,
yes,
Kedarnath,
Kedarnath,
Sumeru,
yes,
Chaukhamba,
yes,
Trishul,
yes,
Hathi Parvat,
yes.
Neelkant.
Neelkant.
Amazing. It means entire Himalayas
Entire Himalayas
can
are
be can be seen from here.
yes, you can have a visibility of all entire range of Himalayas.
So
And if you go to Rasi field up,
Rossi.
Rasi,
They have got one stadium also in Rasi.
Rasi they have got you can call it a polo ground.
Polo ground. So
it is like a polo ground.
polo ground, okay.
Then of course from there you can have a look of Srinagar and the Ganges.
Okay, after from here we will move to Rasi first.
Yes.
Then we will go to which place?
No, you can go to Kandolia first.
Kandolia first. Okay.
Then you go to Rasi.
Rasi.
And then you can Nagdev you have to move on foot, about
On foot.
1.5 kilometers.
1.5 kilometer.
Yes.
Okay, that's quite tough in this weather.
Yes.
And like secondly, like
No, weather will be all pleasant because you
All
won't be
pleasant.
finding the sun when you go to Managde.
so Ranchi will be on height
Yes, Rasi
as
is on
compared to
height.
this place where we are
Yes,
standing
yes. Rasi is
Okay.
about 6,000.
now. 6,000.
Yes.
So we are like we are approximately at what height? 5,500.
500, no, we are above 5,600.
5,600.
5,700, something like that.
Okay.
5,600 is where the bus stand is.
So like when you stayed here almost half a century back, what was the mode of transport available at that time? Like for the local people, local commuting basically. Not
Local people had got only one thing, that was only GMOU buses.
GMOU buses.
Yes, that also through gate. They used to come in the morning. One gate was coming, and one gate was leaving Audi at about 8 o'clock. Then they
Okay.
used to. That is.
So like when you were like studying in Mesmore,
Yes,
what was the mode of transport like available to you also at that time?
on foot,
On foot only.
going to the college on foot, coming back on foot. There was no way out. And when you are going to the college, you are going down. And when you are coming after exhausting yourself in the college, then you are coming up the hill. That is the pain. But it
So-
was all very pleasant.
So like education was quite painful at that time.
No, it was not painful.
At least you don't sweat like the planes.
No, you don't sweat at all.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Can you come a bit closer towards this side? Actually, when we visited Pauli yesterday, nowadays big markets have like a huge market complex has come up.
For example, near bus stand,
Yeah.
we stayed there also for about a year.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll show you the house where we had stayed. We were
Okay.
staying for about, say, 8 months or 10 months over in that house,
Okay.
just near bus stand. Then, of course, we shifted to that where Mr. Priyanka Joshi is living.
Yeah, that is again that is Kandolia.
Kandolia. That is ideal place for living. That is really what?
Kandolia. That is a snow view.
Yes, no,
Snow view colony.
no, we call it.
Because a lot of scattered villages are there.
Ah, yes.
So they all depend on Pauli only, or they have got their own this thing, sort of employment this thing.
No, they depend on Pauri.
Pauli only.
You have got Banjwadi, you have got Pauri village, just nearby Pauri village is there. Then you have got Banjwadi. Again, you have got Teka at this side. You have got down Kandolia. You have got Nigiana. All those villages are there.
Like, did you have like?
Achha, then you have got just near Mesmore Intermediate College.
Okay.
You have got one village
Mesmore is
known as Chopra.
like down this site because when I asked in the morning somebody from the GMVN, he told me that either we have to go on foot about more than a kilometer, or we have to go all the way through the bus stand and take the down road, and our car can reach Mesmore.
that nearby.
Directly.
Then you can stop there and you can go hiking and up to Mesmore and take your car.
Okay.
That is one of the very good.
Now I'm feeling the quite now it is
Achha,
busy.
but that building, what has been Mesmore Intermediate College building, MIC building,
Yeah.
that is really a feat in itself.
That is a like colonial this construction.
No, that was a colonial construction made by one Mr. Weeks. He was the engineer who had constructed this over in Pauli, long time back.
So like at that time, like you must be having a lot of people from like British also,
No, Americans.
all Americans.
All Americans who were coming, they were often on coming, and there were functions managed by the school. So they were doing it. But Pauri was quite. We have got Ramlila also being played near agency. We had got that.
So means like it was quite full of energy at that time, Pauli.
Little hustle bustle and a calm and quiet city
Okay.
in all.
Being a district headquarter, so a lot of like government officials, top officials must
Not-
be living in this place.
Must be. They were living, of course. District planning officer, district supplies officer. They were all, entire system was there.
And like
UP government.
How many schools you had at that time, like in Pauli?
We had got only Mesmore in terms of
Mesmore. So like means a lot of camaraderie between the higher officials, the kids of the higher officials. They are
They
bringing
used
together.
to study over there.
Okay. No
I
other.
had got say Veena Mathur. She was daughter of a assistant surgeon of civil hospital, for example. So all government officials, sons and daughters, were studying in Mesmore. चला जाए भाई